Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan SE in billet clear coat. With automatic headlamps, electronic stability control, 17-inch steel wheels, brake assist, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 14,000 miles on the odometer, 6.5-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, 3-zone temperature control, second row power windows, split folding rear seats, third row seating, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P71810.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.